So welcome to the first recap from Harvey Bowes Financial Services. We wanted to share a couple of things about our day so you can get a bit of an insight into how we function at Harvey Bowes. Now, the first thing that is of real consequence to all of us in the South Wales region is that idea that we are finally, unfortunately, going back into a second lockdown. Now, where this may affect people, it may be that valuations might be on a slight backlog slightly. Hopefully nothing too terrible. But if you do have properties that are looking to be valued in the next 2 weeks in the South Wales region, it might be a bit tricky. Now, we know that we're going to be going into this lockdown period from 6 p.m. this Friday until midnight on Sunday, the 8th of November. So throughout that period, Harvey Bowes will still be operating, will still all be active. There will be someone covering the office, but we will all be working from home once again. So don't think that just because we're in lockdown, everything goes on hold. For us, it doesn't. We're open, we're continuing to work for you as best as we can. And the second update is some good news from some of the lenders, in particular Principality, that have now got some brand new product transfer deals that are only specifically there for NHS workers. So the key criteria here is that you work directly for the NHS. There's no agency workers or anything like that. However, if you're doing a joint residential application, only one person needs to be an active employee of the NHS. So just to put this in perspective, what this could mean for us, first of all, they have brand new 2-year and 5-year deals on their entire range of products, going from 65% loan to value all the way up to 95%. So what could that actually mean for your mortgage going forward? Well, 65% loan to value, you could be doing a product transfer to an interest rate of around 1.3%, which is extremely low given the current situation. That goes all the way up to 95%, which will then give you an interest rate looking from around 3.15. If you was in that happy medium, so a lot of people tend to sit here, 75% loan to value, you would only pay 1.5% of that interest rate. So it's super useful, especially if you are looking to move, well, not so much move home, but if you're looking for a product transfer currently. So that has been our day in Harvey Bowes today. Lots of changes, some positive, some are going to require a little bit more effort from all of us, but we'll be back with you tomorrow for a few further updates and we look forward to seeing you then. Take care.